Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fine mesh screen in your GE dishwasher. It's a really easy thing to do. There's no tools required. It only takes you a few minutes, but it's certainly worthwhile doing. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons why you'd have to remove and reinstall or replace this part is that sometimes large particles will come through and will damage it. Also, if over time from removing and reinstalling for cleaning the other filters, it may no longer lock tightly into position and you'll have to replace the part. So the first thing we need to do is simply open the door, and we want to remove that lower rack. So just move our spray arm out of the way so that we can unlock our large filter. Just rotate it counterclockwise. Lift it straight out. So now all we need to do is just to reach in and take hold of that fine mesh screen and remove it from the dishwasher. So now that we have the fine mesh screen out of the way, it's just a matter of reaching in and lifting out the fine mesh filter. So if you're looking to install the fine mesh filter, it's very easy to do. We're just going to bring it into the sump area and set it down into place. Once that's in place, bring in the fine mesh screen, set it into place in the sump. So to install our large particle filter, it's very easy to do. We just bring it down, drop it into the well of the sump area, and then rotate it clockwise to the locks. So now we just need to reinstall our rack, close our door, and that's how easy it is to install the fine mesh filter in your GE dishwasher.